All right, you're looking at a listing, a master listing of all of our customers and a number of years of sales that we made to them and other kinds of information. The problem is that we also have a few more lists, one from Lurch, one from Igor, and one from Beavis. Now, each one of these might have items that the other doesn't have, and might not have, or might have items or not items that the master list has. So what we need to do is to get all of these lists combined. So the Igor, the Lurch, and the Beavis merged in with the master list. And then what we can then do is run the remove duplicates to get rid of all the duplicates that might happen, because I'm sure there's a few in Beavis that we already have in master. But there might be a few in master that we don't have in Beavis. So by combining the three lists here into one will make all the difference in the world. So there's no magic button to click onto. I've had students over the years who'll say, Chip, isn't there a way we can just like click something and it'll take all of our lists and combine them and get out all the duplicates and da-da-da? And I said, we haven't hit that point yet. Maybe 8 versions from now you'll be able to do that. But right now, you pretty much have to do it manually. But it's not that hard to do. It doesn't take that much time. And you do have that remove duplicates feature to make sure that you've got a nice, distinct, list. So here's what we're going to do. Here's our master list here, all right? And it goes all the way down as far as row 91. So what we're going to do is we're going to take Lurch's list and add that to the bottom of this one, and then add Igor to the bottom of that, and add Beavis to the bottom of that. So it's not going to take too long to do, but I'll just go over here to Lurch. I'll start here. I don't need the field name, so I'll just go here, Control, Shift, right arrow key, and then Control, Shift, down arrow key. Pretty easy. And then I can hit on my keyboard Control C. That'll copy it, all right? Now I'm going to go back to my master list. There I am there. And now I'm going to do a Control V to paste it. And there they're pasted in there, right? So this is pasted into my master. Now I'm going to go down, just so I'm all ready for this. Go down the bottom of that. That's where I'm going to be there. And now I'm going to go to Igor's listing. Go to Igor's first one here. Control, Shift, right arrow key, down arrow key, Control C to copy it. Go back to my master. Go right there. Control V to paste it. There it goes. And then, last but not least, I'm going to go right there. Last but not least, we're going to go over to Beavis. Go to the beginning of that one, right? Control, Shift, right arrow key, down arrow key, right? Control C. Now I've copied all that data. And I'm going to go back to my master, all right? And there I am at A358, Control V, and now I've pasted it in. Now we have over almost 500 rows of data. I will say that I think we have about 90 or 91 customers. So that goes to show you we have a lot of duplication in here. Well, if you just look right here, if I see, I'm looking at Lonesome Pine Restaurant, and I thought I just saw that it was coming down here. Maybe not. Well, trust me, we've got duplicates. All right. Anyway, so now I'm just going to go back to the top here. I'm just going to do my Control Home. And there I are. So I'm in the master list now. So I've taken those 3 lists and I've combined them into this master here. Now, I'm going to go ahead and select everything, just for the heck of it. Actually, I'll do it this way. I'm just going to click anywhere in the worksheet here. And then I'm going to go back into Data, and then go to my Remove Duplicates, this one right here, right? Now I click onto that. You'll see how it is selected for me, everything, right? And here are the fields in question. And so really all I have to do is just go ahead and hit OK. And it found 390 duplicates and left me with 90 unique customers here, basically, right? Hit OK. There we go. So now, look at this. Just goes down to about 91 there. So, not bad. So now I know that I've got everything, at least as far as from Lurch, Igor, and Beavis, and of course myself. So I got them all in there. So that worked out really good. So that's about it, you guys. So that's that part there. The only other one I had here for you, I just thought maybe I'd add this in here. This employee badges, that's kind of haunting from the last example or two. All I want to do here is take the 3 lists I've got here and make them into one giant list. So again, what do? I just go to here, Control Shift, right arrow key, down arrow key, Control, and actually what I'll do here is I'll do a Control X, okay? And that's going to cut them. We're basically going to move them. So we're going to cut it, and then I'm going to go down. I guess it really doesn't matter because you're going to delete them anyway, but those areas. So we go down to here, Control V to paste it, all right? And then we'll go up to this one here. I'm just going to select it like that. There's not too many of them. Select the area, right-click it. I'll just hit copy here. Go down to the bottom of this list, Control V, gets rid of that. Now, before I go any further, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of all this. I'm going to go from E to P here. Just going to overdo it a little bit. Right-click it, hit delete, all right, and it wipes them all out. Now what I can do here is I can do my remove duplicates to make sure that I don't have any duplicates in here. And I think I do have them in here. We'll see what happens. But I've got, what, 115, or 104, about 114 records. Okay, let's see how this works. So click anywhere in there, go back to my data, go back to my remove duplicates, all right? And then I'm going to go ahead and just hit OK. It said I have 60 duplicates. It left me with 54 customers, or 54 employees in this case. So I hit OK. And as you can see, I mean, that's where we were. We're kind of like at the bottom before. That's how much you got rid of. And there it's 55 or 54 records, but those are all very unique. So again, not that hard of a process, a little manual, but I love the remove duplicates to make sure you got a nice, solid, non-duplicated data type of list there. All right, well, thanks a lot. Hopefully you like this and you can start using it on your own data. Take care.